Everybody, sunshine and happiness with the MOJO Day Trade room in the show today. How's everybody doing? Let's get pull this baby over right here. Got 51 left in the room this morning, and we're just chilling. The Dow's dropping a little bit right now with the down 22. We're in a couple of staple stocks: JDST, RPRX, TVIX, and UVXY. TVIX, we bought at 113, 114. UVXY, we own a little higher, but we bumped it at 25.65. So when it goes over $26 in the 26.20 to 50 range, we'll be profitable in that bracket. That's what we're waiting for on the UVXY. Dow's dropping more, down 25. I like to see that. And let's see what we're looking at with our stocks. So RPRX right now is 206, 207, making a new high for the MOJO traders. And that stock was just executed as a buy right there.
Yes.
Nice. You like that one? I love that too. So RPRX long right here at 199, adding more at $2. Thank you very much. Really nice trade right there, boy. So we also got Nintendo. Look, $26, up $1. I thought Nintendo was real bad, huh? It's not. Nope.
No.
Nope. 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 Here's where we got Nintendo.
No.
First trade of the day, adding more, $25.90. So that's what we got going on with that. So let me move this over. So we got adding $25.90. We did UV into the high of the day there, but we bought it back. That was at $27.20. Now we're where it was. Here we go. Right here. First trade, Synesis. Looking for that under 68 for the small traders. Then we added right here on 18. That was on UWTI. We traded from 1780 right down here. UWTI, pre-market trade. Where is it? Here it is. UWTI adding 1797, but it was earlier. Hold on. Where's that? UVXY pre-market trade and UWTI. Here it is. UWTI pre-market trade. We're going to buy here at 1780. We sold it, added at 90, sold it at 1820. Look, 1803, 1819. Just doing wonderful. Sold 1819, sold 1824. Beautiful, beautiful trade right there. So Dow's down 25. UV's heading right back through 26 as we speaking. TVIX is heading to 15 as we're speaking. And SVXY is heading under 65 as we're speaking, with the VXIV heading under 330 as we're speaking. Big drops are about to take place within the stock market. UVXY headed through Hines. Whoever's watching this, buy this stock right here at $25.91, $25.90, 87. You're going to sell it at $26.50 very shortly. It's a big move for you. $26.50, $26.50. Okay, buy that right now. That's what we got going on. Let me show you a trade we did this morning. I'm going to shed some light. The symbol was TSRI at 934. If you lost, traders that watched this video today, Pro Trader Mike is telling you, listen to me, listen. If you lost on TSRI, your room moderator made a couple of $1,000. and you lost. I'm very aware of this situation of called front running, where the room moderator will find a low float stock, take a big aggressive position, give it to the room, so they come in 500, 1,000 traders like a lunatic, and they all buy the pants off of it. The moderator makes $2 grand, $3 grand on the trade. Everyone else winds up losing, getting stopped out, auto closed. And that's not the right, correct way for the whole room to make money. So I've recognized this new pattern, and Mojo nailed it this morning. I'm sorry if you lost and we won. However, here's the trade. TSRI. You lost all your stock now. The stock this morning was purchased right here. And it was purchased right here. It was given to you all at around $6 a share and higher. You all bought that bar. The moderator bought here. You all bought here at 6. You didn't lose it at 540. You lost it at $5. So you lost your shares. You bought it here. You were praying here. Little relief. And then it dumped and it took all your stock right here. Called an auto close. And you lost your shares. From here, they took your shares and they spit on you. And they brought it right back up in price. Okay, look, $5, making sure you're all out at $4.96. And now watch, right back up to $5.50 from $4.96. You're like kicking yourself in the ass. What happened was, yes, it's trading 2.2 million now, but that's irrelevant. Look at the first bar. Go to the minute. So if you're in a day trade room and you lost on this stock, you're in the wrong room. Let me show you. The first buy right here that Mojo saw on the particular situation, I got alerted right in here. It traded no shares at 511 and 531. And I told my day trade room right here at 8 o'clock in the morning, look, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Anybody do the UWTI trade? Here. EVOC has potential. A guy came in the room and said that. I said, potential for what? To lose all your money. He says, upward potential. You have potential to get wiped out. Okay? So I said, guys, these guys got kicked out of the room this morning. Anybody that thinks they're a big shot, Kaiser Brown, you're banned. You'll never be back in the Mojo room. Are we swinging UVXY? Are you a moderator? This guy right here with EVOC, you got kicked out of the room too. Pushing stocks from other rooms doesn't work. This is a setup similar to Warrior Trading. And I said, yeah, because Warrior Trading is a new company. When I started, there were 4 day trade rooms. Now there's 400. He started in 2015, took my course and was in my room in 2014 when I taught him how to trade and copied all my systems. So no problem. Let me talk to you about that with TSRI being ridiculously front run. So we're going to take advantage. Why does this look identical? That's funny. So this stock has 53,000 in volume and is being accumulated by the moderator at 555 right now. So he will call it to the room at the open and it will blast through like it did to 678 and we're going to sell into them. Okay. So I don't have to, I know what the stocks are. It has 800,000 shares in the float. Tiny, small float front runner. So at 9:16 in the morning, right here, let's go to the minute chart. At 9:16, and yeah, there are some bad reviews that have been written, as it says in my chat room. So let's go to the 1 minute bar and pick it out minute by minute. So the first minute that I saw the stock was right here, and I got alerted, and Mojo accumulated it right here because I knew the moderator would buy the stock right here and not alert it to his room until they were sufficiently in buying all of that. Once they bought all of that, they came out and they said, hey, room, buy. So the room came in and they all bought. The moderator sold up into that and made a huge profit, and so did Mojo. Then it came down to 550. Half of you got stopped out, and then the rest of you got auto closed right down here at 496. Okay. Where was the 496? 549, 540. Where was it? So you got sucked out here, 507. It went a little low. This is the minute chart. So you got sucked out right here and auto closed on your account right there. Everybody got destroyed. EVOC this morning, you wanted to buy it. It's got some movement at 4. It did nothing. It got destroyed. Look at the daily chart. Okay. So people come in, they have no idea what they're doing trading in the room. The room moderators out there, all they could do by winning is front running the room. Okay. Like TSRI. So thank you for continuing your pattern of greatness and Mojo scoring on you. Here's what we did on TSRI. TSRI, Mojo bought right here and sold 607, 625, bought it right here at 440 and 440 and 455. At 9:34 a.m. Mojo bought the stock with the moderator right here. Go to the 5 minute. At 9:34, we bought it right there at 440 right here to 450 right there with the moderator right there, 440 to 450, and we sold it right up through 6 above this into the next bar through 624. We made a huge score. Look, flat 625. I don't care if it went higher because it made a little tail up and then back down. That's where the liquidity was. Okay. It was the sickest trade. Sickest trade. Okay. Who did that trade? Who did that trade? Okay. Yes, indeed. We talked about it yesterday.
Yeah.
And we executed it on it today.
Well, yes.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you for having a room of 1,000 people. I only got 47, but I make enough every single day to support myself, and I do well for my room. My phrase and slogan is, I can please my team, okay? And that's the key to success, but I can't please everyone, and that's the key to failure. So do what you'd like, folks. Do what you'd like. Let's take a look at our stocks. RPRX is 218 right now. RPRX is 218 right now. Nice sell at 219. Nice sell. Who in our room printed 219? Sell. Who printed $2.19 on the sale? Let me see. Who? Alex, Alan, Bohan, Igor. Who printed it? 17. Who printed 19? No. You should have. Stick it there now. They'll come and take it. You sold at 14. Stick it there now. They'll come take it. JDST is 462 now. So JDST is moving. JDST is 454. JDST is 462. Mojo is cranking. Just be patient. Let me show you what UWTI did in 1 hour. In 1 hour, it's come all the way back down, and then it went all the way back up. You see that? Look, here's how we played oil today. Now this is UVXY, just in a different time frame. So watch. The market opens, and the stock goes down. See? Then, you ready? Watch. Watch this move. So the market opens and the stock goes down and it makes a move above this break and it flies to 1825. This was our morning trade. We did this whole entire trade. Then it came all the way back down to 1750. Unbelievable, right? From there, look what it did. Here it chugged through. Here it exploded through. It went from 1750 again to $19. That's a $1.40 move in 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. So you mean to tell me $1.40 on an $18 stock that we can't see a dollar move to 26.80 on this stock? I know it for a fact. See the 5 minute? How it's basing? This thing is going to explode. Mark my words. People who traded this already today have already left and been done for the day. Example, Trader Carol right here. Trader Carol has to run, but for the poll that I'm going to do, she's up 400 on the day. Plus she sold 3 August 12th calls on UV for $525. Have a great weekend. That is what I'm talking about, baby. I'm very proud. We traded today JDST. It's right now 1 p.m. And we're still in holding some shares of UV and JDST. No DGAS today, but we traded UWTI. Traded the oil like a champion. We traded the TSRI. Took advantage of a well-known pattern situation. Hey, if that's going to happen every day, just beware. My room is going to take that every day from now on. Every day. Either you'll lose in that room and be shamed by the moderator, or you'll come trade with the Mojo and get your Mojo on. Okay? How'd you guys do today? All my pro traders. See, everybody that's under these guys are regular traders. All these guys are pros. They've all taken my Mojo University course. So other rooms, you better not put like you tried, put a pro in front of the trader's name and copy my rooms. You're copying my room. But look, I've been doing this for 4 years. It goes trader, then pro trader. That's it. 11 people made 1 to 500.
Yes.
Nice. Listen, by the time I'm done speaking about this poll, UVXY will be above and touching 26. 12 people.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Made $1 to $500. 12 people made $1 to $500. That's real nice. Then you have,
hey, good job.
One person made $500 to $1,000. One person made $1,000 to $2,000. The demo, you guys got destroyed. Losing money for real? No one.
Hey, good job.
Okay? Observing and watching? 1. Okay? Mojo, let's get the roar on. Dow's down 30. I've never been more right. Michael Berry's all over me, telling me all knowing. Stick with it. Patience, buddy. Synesis went to 73 this morning. We have Synesis. See Synesis? You're like, dude, how do I get a stock? How do I get a stock that gaps up and adjusts like that? The answer is very simple. You have to be a subscriber of the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter. And when you are, you get picks just like that. So let me fix the dates on here. I gotta fix up the sheet and I'll give you an update right now. So here's the swing update for the MOJO swing traders that are watching this video. You ready? Let me get this, clean this up. This one right here, delete. Okay, here's the deal. It's coming over. Here's the model swing portfolio for all the swing trade subscribers that are in the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter. The month is ending and it's been quite the month. The Dow, and we have all these people up here. If I touch this sheet and do something on it, they'll all get an email alert that I'm in the sheet, okay? And then they can make their changes accordingly. This is my watch list right here. I have NSPR. My trigger price is 23 cents. It's 19. Tatron Components, my trigger price is 122. The daily high is 120. It's at 120. These have not been buys. Let's move to the open trades. We have Sun Edison for a couple of months. We threw her a bone and we're up because it's like at 14 now. It was at yesterday. We have Parmathene. This company is a company that is in the security defense industry for combating biological agents like anthrax. And there was a show on TV the other day one of the medical shows and a bomb came in the emergency room and blew up, and within the bomb was anthrax. So that's what this company does. And we own it at 244. It's 258. UVXY, we own at 32.50 original buy. Full position reverse split low 27.70. I'm adding UVXY today, right now at 25.80. So take 32.50 and double your position. 32.50 plus $26. So we go 32.50. It's at 25.80. Is 58.30 divided by 2 is 29.15. Bring your cost basis to 29.15. We're going to sell covered calls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the row, and we're going to sell these covered calls on UVXY. Okay? Let me show you the UVXY covered calls. UVXY options. The premiums are very big. So I'm going to wait until Monday. We're going to see if we get the 2-day turnaround. And here's the options on UVXY. Right here. So we're going to go to August 16th. And we're going to sell the stock at only the calls. And we're going to sell the stock at a strike price of 20. Here's 28. So we own it. We'll own it at. Let me look at it right here again. 29.15. We'll sell the 29 strike. So let me go to the 29 strike. Out of the money. So the strike right here, hold on. All. All right, here we go. So let's go to the 30s. August 12th, here we go. We're at 19. No thanks. But we don't want to go to the August 19th. So let's go back. Let's go to the August 12th and the 29s. The 29s are right here. They're $1.65. So here's the deal. Okay, see them right here at $1.65. The 30s are $1.51. I may do these. So these right here are $1.50, and they're the 30s. So we'd own it at $29.10. Let's say 29 for math purposes. We'll sell the $30 covered call. If it gets called away, we make $1 on the stock, and we make $1.50 on the option. Is a $2.50 profit. And the date we have to hold it until is August 12th. And that's the deal with that. So the cost basis would be 29 minus $1.50. 29 minus 1.5 is 27.50. So this is the play for next week. What I'm anticipating is the stock's down $1.50 right now. Monday, the stock will be up from here. This option will be worth $2 plus. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to buy the average down here. On Monday, we're selling the covered call. Okay? That's the plan. That's the plan with that. So this is the UVXY covered call. And it's the, hold on a second. Okay. So that's that right there. Just see something right here. Hold on a second. Okay. Covered call strike price 30. And we're looking at a $2 option premium. So that's all in effect right there. IDSY, we own at 495 is at 5. CTIC at 37 right here is chilling at 34. MIOS, the high was 195 today. It hasn't done anything. Signal Genetics, SGNL, high 53. We're up on that one. MVIS, we own at 185. Nintendo, we own at 2750. Looking for a move back to 30. Yes, Jason, I think it'll do that. DNAI, doing nothing and chilling. MGT at 3. Smith & Wesson, we've already closed half of the position at 30.40. Taser, we're even on. APDN, we were up at 50 on, is now 39. It's been as high as 46. CYTR at 61, has been as high as 68. Half of the position's been closed already on that one. MPET is the same. High has been 132. DGSC at 81 is the same. SSY at 70 is at 84, and it's halted trading. And stem cells, we're back in at 38 is 39. So you have, oh, UV drop, great. So SSY is right here. What was the other one? Where is the other one? The other one was MPET, DGSC, and Santa. MPET right here. Made a move yesterday, the day before, and the day before. And Santa is halted trading. And it halted right up here. So who knows what that one's going to do. And the Dow's down 21 still. Twitter, we made a move buy earlier. Listen, if Twitter can get destroyed and come back, anything can freaking happen, folks. Come on now. So this thing went to 1569, double rebound back up. Mojo bought that in the room this morning also. Okay. Here's the Twitter. So let's see the poll. And here's the Twitter. I didn't do Twitter. I said you guys could do Twitter. I was already in everything else. You guys did Twitter. So thank you for taking the poll. 13 people made 1 to 500. One person made 1. Another person made 1 to 2. Made money in the demo 1. Lost for real none. Lost in the demo 4. I seen that. No problem. And good job today. Stop poll. Close it. Good job, my pro traders. So we had a good day. It's Friday. We know what we're expecting. We know what the action is, and let's just see if we get this afternoon turn. I mean, the afternoon turn in UV, if it continues what it's done, will be down $3. It's been down $1.50, very orderly and coordinated every single day for 14 days in a row. Okay? It has 10 more million, 11 more million shares to go in the next 2.5 hours. And I do think they may push that back towards 26 instead of pushing it towards 25. Because with the Dow down, there's no reason for them to do that with these stocks the way that they've been every single day since here. I think it's time for a little breather. And not just a breather, but a gap breather. Like, sort of like this. Look, see what happened from here to here? See what happened from here to here? Okay? What's going to happen from here? It could only go higher to the top of this. What's it going to do? Do that and then it come down? We're in for a red bar, folks. We're in for a red bar. Okay? We're in for a green bar here, folks. And not just a green bar, but a gap, like this, like this, like this, this. It's going to gap. The future of these stocks now are big gap moves. So with patience, we'll see this back towards 26 soon with a green bar function, kind of like UWTI. Look. Oh my gosh, it's got its first green bar. What it does when it does that is it always makes 2 bars and then 3, like this, see? Boom, boom. It makes 2 bars or 3. Watch, EVOC, see? It comes up out of a destruction and it goes boom, boom, boom. Not just going up, but gapping. The gap. Okay. Nice trading in RX today. These are just bad stocks to be in right now. SPU, SPSH, they're all done and played. They're all done and played. So let's see what we have and where we have some numbers. This is back at 65, looking to go under 65. This is back at 40, looking to go under 30. The bigger it bases right here, the more it's going to get crushed when it takes its dive. I don't know how long the plank is, okay? But here's the boat. Here's the plank. The market is walking the freaking plank. Where's the end? Once it gets to the end, it's going to fall like you ain't going to believe. And the fall is just going to be normal profit taking. That's all they'll say about it. It was just normal profit taking. So that's where we're at. That's what we traded today. And let me show you the Google trade that I did last night in the after hours on the 5-minute chart right here. So Google made a move right here from 765 to 812. And then right here at 814 dropped to 796. And I shorted it. Let me show you. So what happened was I'm watching the level 2 and I'm only doing 10 shares at a time, building up to 50 shares. Okay? Because it's a $800 stock. So the first thing I saw on the Google was it spike up to $808 a share. 814. And when I saw the level 2 like this, I shorted it at 808. 10 shares. Then the stock dropped a minute later, see it? To 801. Then 1 second later, in the next minute, it gave me another signal and I shorted more above 800. And I have 50 shares at 608. Then all of a sudden, the stock dropped 1 minute later, 4 points. I'm up $200. Then the stock drops more from 796 to 788. Dropped 10 points. So from 808 to 788 is 20 points. On 50 shares is $1,000 profit. Just trading 50 shares. So then I covered the position and I said, let's see what it does from here. And I missed 790 all the way back to 800. Then right here, I bought 800 at 1623.15. And as soon as I bought that at 1623.15, at 1626.17, the bid was 800. Then at 1627.22, 1 minute later, it was already up 2 points. Then at a little bit later after that, within a half hour later, it was up another 9 points. So I shorted it here, covered here, played it through all the way up. That is the equivalent of 30 points in the after hours, just trading 10 to 50 shares of stock. That is the MOJ. What do you think of that, guys? What do you think of that one, huh? Nice, right? I like it. So listen, that's really the end of what we're going to do today. We're going to watch the afternoon push and see the move. MYG. What's MYG? MFH? DGF? Yeah. Me too. Me too, Alex. What's MY? I think you misspelled it, brother. I think you misspelled it. What's MYG? I think you misspelled it. Mike, you're a genius. You know what you need to do that? You need a lot of patience. You need a lot of patience. Okay? You need to climb up and down the ladder with patience. That's what we do. So listen, Pro Trader Mike signing off for the MOJO show. It's been a pleasure. Enjoy your weekend. It's beautiful weather outside. Major's chilling right there. Hello, Major. Major's ready to go in the pool. Ready to go in the pool. I think we got to go do a walk away. Let's do a walk away. We do the walk away. Let's take a look. We've already been through a positive Dow today. I don't care. I've already been through the lows. It's at the low again. I've already been here before. Ain't no big deal. Listen, let's do a walk away. We come on back. Wherever it is. UWTI. See the change that it made from our morning move. You guys were worried then too. Did the walk away. Boom. Up $1.50. Big recovery. It was negative. Okay. MOJO is going to do the walk away. So with that said, I'm going to blast my little piece of this and hopefully we'll stay forever young and they won't block it on the tube. Peace, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. See you Monday.